Your next car could be the 2022 Audi Q3. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take style and versatility with you on every journey in this graceful Q3. Tech-savvy, athletic, and all-weather capable, this small luxury SUV elevates your daily drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated front seat, leather steering wheel, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, steering wheel controls, four-wheel ABS. Infuse the journey with satisfying luxury in this extraordinary Q3. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.